the Wandering Canucks, and we are walking through some of the Daintree Rainforest. This is in northern Queensland. We're right near Cape Tribulation.
Amazing plants, really resilient. You can take one of those, take a stone, put it around the tree and it will fall by itself. As long as it gets enough moisture and sunlight.
Haven't seen any crocodiles or cassowaries in here.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Mm. It's a very nice temperature, very calm. Bit of moisture in the air, very pleasant.
Eh? A short one.
Well, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Travel with us when you can't travel from home. It's the Wandering Canucks in the Daintree Rainforest in Queensland, Australia.